All right, we're in Michigan at some inn. I don't know the name of it. Schindler 3300. There's some live music going on.
I was early in the morning, just before I traveled. I'm coming back to the I skipped the funeral. First the days I was still
Kind of slow for 8 floors. Nice property though. Very nice property. Very new. Well, let's get this before it goes. I'm too late. All right, let's see here. I guess for a second, I can look around. Here's with the stairway. Just very plain stairway. All right. Sounds like it's closing down there. I'll just wait, I won't cut the video. Oh, look at that, that's actually kind of trippy. Nice property though. This definitely was built in the last 10 years, probably around 2016, 2017 maybe. Here, I guess we get to see the other one as well. This one only goes up to floors 1 through 6. Oh, this is the Inn at Harbor Shores. Uh-oh. Typical MRL stuff. Here's the logo of the hotel. It's the Inn at Harbor Shores. 2014. That was pretty close. Very nice place. Anyway, that's all.